Media with effusion, OME. Definition: it is a clinical condition characterized by accumulation of non-purulent effusion in the middle ear tract. The effusion is thick and viscid, but it may be thin and serous. It is seen in school-going children, mainly 3 to 8 years of age. Synonym holo, it is also called serous otitis media, mucoid otitis media, secretory otitis media, glue ear, that means OME, otitis media effusion. Cause, সংজ্ঞা হলো TUVAC, TUVAC মানে tubular occlusion, unresolved acute otitis media, viral infection, allergy and cleft palate. Clinical feature: hearing loss, not contact. It is conjunctive type of hearing loss, not more than 40 dB. 40 dB বেশি নয়, 40 decibel. Delayed and defective speech, or due to hearing loss, development of speech is delayed and defective. Mild earache. Otoscopic findings: tympanic membrane is dull, opaque, and loss of light reflex. আমরা জানি tympanic membrane হলো pearly white color, yellow, gray or bluish in color, আর normal color হলো pearly white, মুক্তার মতো সাদা. Thin lash of blood vessel may be seen along the handle of the medius or at the periphery of tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane show varying degree of retraction. Sometimes it may show pulsing due to effusion. Fluid level and air bubbles may be seen. Valsalva maneuver may produce tickling sound. Mobility of tympanic membrane is restricted. Now hearing test. Hearing test is tuning for test. Tuning for test of mainly conductive type of hearing loss. Audiometry, conductive type of hearing loss of 20 to 40 dB. Sometimes sensorial hearing loss occur due to fluid pressing on down membrane. Impedance audiometry type B. X-ray masters or CT scan of temporal lobe showing clouding of air cell of the masters due to fluid. Treatment: medical and surgery. Medical nasal decongestant, xylomethazolone drop, antihistamine long-term antibiotic in case of upper respiratory tract infection, middle ear aeration by Valsalva or sealing of chocolate. Surgery কখন করব? when fluid is thick and medical treatment is failed. কি সার্জারি করব? আমরা মেইনলি myringotomy and aspiration of fluid, grommet insertion, তারপর tympanotomy or cortical mastoidectomy, and surgical treatment of positive factors such as tonsillectomy, adenoidectomy, functional endoscopic sinus surgery. That is all about otitis media with effusion. Thanks.